Hi, my name's Dan Evans. I'm the Executive Director for Good News Ministries, which is an organization that endeavors to reach the lost of Indianapolis with the gospel of Jesus Christ. We do that through various benevolent ministries like a homeless shelter, youth center, health clinic, a boys' home, and a family shelter. It was a Monday afternoon in mid-December. One of our men had come upstairs and ran back downstairs yelling, "Fire, fire!" And indeed there was a sizable fire blazing in the second floor right at one of our bathrooms. And in the end, what we had was damage to about 80% of our building. Both dorms were affected. The bathroom that was in the immediate vicinity was totally destroyed. Then the water damage really affected the downstairs. Unfortunately, this happened on the second story of our men's shelter building. And so we had to evacuate about 80 men that live in the building. We didn't miss a meal, however, as far as serving our homeless men. And I think we had the main group of men back in the building within 2 days. Really, that was due to the very quick efforts of Total Restoration, who were on the job before they were ever even called or hired, because one of their people was driving by and saw the fire trucks, and they contacted Cleve, and Cleve dispatched a significant crew that very evening. They just started working. They started doing the initial remediation, which was a lot of debris and the smoke smell, getting the fans in and all that special equipment that they use. I mean, they were just on it. The process went well. Now, this was a very difficult process. We still had to have 65 to 75 men living in the building during the entire process. I mean, you're dealing with a homeless shelter. You can't tell the guys to go somewhere else. They don't have somewhere else to go. And so Total had to work around all of that. They just went a lot of extra miles, I think, to try to make that happen. They got it done. We know, obviously, a lot of folks and organizations, especially ministries in Indianapolis. And so I would say if I was talking to one of my pastor friends, if I was talking to one of our businesses that supports Good News Ministries, and they just happen to be saying, yeah, you know, we just had this tragedy in our facility, you know, we just had a fire, or a flood, or, you know, whatever. Right out of the hat, I'm gonna be like, you should call Total Restoration, because they're gonna be on the job. I mean, if you call them, they'll be there.